Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we will be actually it's unbagging this time, but the Ice Cream Beauty box. It is the box, but it's in a bag. You'll see why in a few moments, okay? But for those of you who are not familiar with the Ice Cream Beauty box, I will leave all the information down below. I know this is it's a bag, but do not let this be confused with the Ice Cream Beauty bag. This one is definitely the box, and I promise you will see all of the content very shortly. Now, I will leave all the details down below if you decide you want to check it out for yourself. And it is definitely worth it, okay? This is $25 per month. That does include your shipping, okay? We don't pay anything for shipping. Now, this month we had so many items inside, and rather large ones, that it would not necessarily fit in the regular size box. So hence the reason for this wonderful iridescent packaging. So let's just get into the contents of the Ice Cream Beauty box. This one is one that still has a description card. How about that? This is November Holiday Prep is the title that they're giving us. And it says, thank you. We hope you enjoy. As a subscriber, you're not just indulging in something that's uniquely yours, you're also becoming a part of a community that's bigger than just one person. Check them out on all social media outlets. They are there. Now, let's go ahead and see. The first thing that we have is a tinted lip balm. And it's this one right here. This is the packaging, which is rather nice. And it says, this is by Lovebird Beauty. Enjoy a pop of color and soft, hydrated lips with this tinted lip balm. This balm combines nourishing ingredients with just the right hint of tint, making it perfect for an effortless everyday look. Smooth, moisturizing, and never sticky. Now this one, it says it is a 0.28 ounce size, and mine is in the shade Smooch, which is really rather nice looking. Let's see how long of a shelf life this has. Now, it does not give me a shelf life, but it does tell me that this one is made with love. It is cruelty-free, it is vegan, and it is paraben-free. Not exactly sure what the shelf life is, so I really don't know if I'm going to open it. We have a little time to think about it because, as you know, we do swatch at the end of our video. But this one is item number 1, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $10. The next item that we have is Snatched, and this is a fiber mascara by Lash Stop. Now, let me just go ahead and open this packaging that it came in, which is very interesting. This is what the inside packaging looks like, and it says, get lashes that look lifted, longer, and full. Designed to grab every single lash, this fiber-infused mascara builds incredible length and volume without clumping. Perfect for both everyday and special occasions. It's sure to make your eyes pop. They have a tip for you. It says, wiggle the wand from the base of your lashes up to the tips to add volume and repeat for extra length. For even more impact, add a second coat once the first one is completely dry. Now, this one right here is a 3.4 ounce size. And can we just take a moment and appreciate the packaging? Okay, so let's see. It is a cruelty-free product. The shelf life on this product is 6 months, y'all. So make sure you open it when you're ready okay, to really get the use out of it, because you don't want to lose out on any of the product. Now, I do want to let you know that this mascara, the manufacturer suggested retail price for it is $21. The next item that we have is this one right here. Now, even the outer packaging is gorgeous. This is Chocolate Bronze Liquid Eyeshadow by BEAU BAE BEAUTY. It says this is a stunning metallic bronze shade with a hint of sparkle, perfect for creating sultry statement eyes in seconds. This product dries quickly. Darker skin tones will be able to use this as a beautiful highlight / bronzer. This also works wonderfully as a base for powder shadows. Be gentle though. Blending too hard will cause flaking. Now, this one is also a cruelty-free product. It is a 1.8 ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life. So we're going to go ahead and open the packaging so we can take a look. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at the inside packaging. That is a gorgeous bottle. The bottle does also hold all of the same information that was on the box. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $30. I do believe we will be swatching this one, okay? So be prepared for that. The next item that we have, this is one of the reasons why it did not fit in the box. Ugh, gorge. Gorge, gorge, gorge. Okay, it's this item right here. And this is a foundation brush by Cheeky Rose Beauty. It says, meet your new best friend for flawless foundation. This ultra soft, densely packed brush, it effortlessly blends foundation for an airbrushed finish that feels like a pro touch. For a natural, seamless application, use light circular motions. Need extra coverage? Pat the brush in gentle dabs for a buildable, beautiful finish. Now, let's go ahead and take this out. This is rather nice. I thought it was round, but it's not. It has almost an oval shape. I want to see what the fibers are. They're very soft and dense. It says easy application for a seamless finish every time. And now it does not tell me the type of fiber that this is, but they were not joking when they said it was dense, because it really, really is very soft. So I'm gonna have to wash this so I can try it out. I think we may be doing some makeup videos in the coming days because it's holiday time. So I want to kind of give you a little bit of inspiration of some things you may want to try out for this holiday season, okay? It's getting a little warm in here. My face is starting to look a little dewy. I may have to press pause and come back with less of this look, okay? But we'll see if we can get through it without that being the case. All right, so the manufacturer suggested retail price for this brush is $38. Not bad for such a nice brush. This is very, very nice. I love how soft it is. We're going to keep on going. We have one more product left. Now, I do want to let you know that this one was a choice item, okay? And it's sliding out. So this one is the Jingle Bell Ruby Palette by DEDE Signature. Get ready to fall in love with these mesmerizing shades from DEDE Signature. Whether you choose the warm, earthy hues of the classic autumn or the festive sparkle of Jingle Bell Ruby, these palettes are made for endless creativity. Packed with pigmented, buttery shades, each palette offers a stunning mix of mattes and chrome shades to take you from subtle to glam in one swipe. Use a fluffy blending brush to create a soft smoky look, or layer the shimmer shades with your fingertip for maximum sparkle. Now, this is a 12-pan palette, okay? And it says creating fun-filled holiday memories. These shades are gorgeous. They are gorgeous. This palette has a 36-month shelf life. Yes, I had to lean in when I told you that part. 36 months. And it is a cruelty-free item. I know, stop talking about it and show it to you. It is also 160-gram size. It does come with a mirror. So this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. It does come with a mirror. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it so I can show you these gorgeous shades. Look at that. Gorgeous. Make sure you use a very good primer so you can get the full effect of these beautiful shadows. I am excited to try this. Now, I do like that each of the mattes has a corresponding shimmer that would go with it. But you know, you can play it because there's no one that can say what your makeup colors should be. So go to town with it. Go to town. Now, we are at the end of the unboxing. Now, I do want to let you know that this palette retails for $35. Beautiful for $35. So we're going to go ahead and swatch a couple shades. I think we'll do maybe 3. I'm going to try and get in a shimmer and a matte for each one. Since we're only swatching the shadows, I'm going to show you 6 shades and also this right here. Now, I want to tell you, this is what that looks like. Okay? Now, with it looking like this, this would be such an amazing liner because it comes out on a brush. So that means you can use it very, very light-handed. Okay? Can you see that? Now, if you use it very light-handed, if you use it that way, you can draw a fantastic line. Give yourself a fantastic eyeliner extraordinaire for the holiday season. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So consider that. It's this one right here. And it's by BEAU BAE Beauty. Now, let me just show you my arm. Look at this. Do you see this? Look at those shimmery spots. Now, I did 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. This, let's start at the bottom. This one is Snowman Cookies. The shimmer is Sugar Plum. This one is Bright Ruby. And this is Sleigh Ride. This one is Noel Night. And this on the top is Crispy Trees. Can we just take a moment and just appreciate these beautiful shades? Now, if you look at it, it's glittery. It's like doing its thing. So you're going to have to be quite meticulous with this when you're putting it on. Okay? I'm just saying, because otherwise it's going to bleed over without any effort, okay, into the shadow. But they are beautiful enough to support it. So what do you think? Tell me down below what you think. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. DEDE Signature, well done. Well done. Definitely like that. So let me know what your thoughts are down below regarding this beautiful palette, as well as this beautiful shadow liquid. It kind of reminds you of liquid gold. Isn't that what they call it? So those are available. I just want to know how you feel about that. Is that something that would make you want to go ahead and get the Ice Cream Beauty box? It would definitely have me thinking. But nonetheless, I want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our ice cream beauty box, which was so much it did not fit inside of the box. But these are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer's suggested retail price for everything that was included with this month's subscription. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And you know it's easy on the pocket because it is free. How about that? Now, make sure you share this video. Let others know about the ice cream beauty box. It was amazing to me to open it. And just in case you didn't realize, it's all about the makeup. All about the makeup. Okay? All about the makeup. So everything you're going to get is makeup related, right down to this beautiful brush. All right. Now, I just want to let you know, most of all, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.